Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to add your website link on Twitter bio or X bio. So you can see this is a Twitter interface, so you need to type twitter.com, then you'll get the interface like this. Then click here the profile and then click the edit profile, then scroll down, then you can see it's your bio, so you can add anything you want. For example, if you want to add your bio like for and website.com. So after putting your website link here, then simply click the save. Then you can see it's the hyperlink. Now if you click here, then they will go your website. So this way you can add your website link here. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.